Living Analog. Today is a beautiful 70-degree day here in Phoenix, which I understand is a lot different from what the rest of the country is dealing with. So hopefully you all are staying safe in the colder areas of the country right now. Today we're going to install or show how to install a push-pull potentiometer for a split coil pickup. So basically what this does, I'm sure you're all aware of this, but what this does is make it so you can use a humbucker pickup as a single coil as well, and accessing it through a push-pull putt. So pushed in, we have full humbucker, and then pulled out, we have the humbucker split in half, and it's just a single coil. So you get a lot of tonal possibilities there. In my guitar here, I have it on the neck position, and I'm actually taking these Seymour Duncans out and putting these Gibson PAF. I don't know what these are. These are I don't know what these are. Anyway, I'll figure it out and let you know. Because I wanted my Les Paul to be more of a Les Paul again, and I don't need pickups that are this hot anymore, and I really don't need a split coil anymore. Since I was taking it out, I figured it'd be good to show you. This is my one of my pride and joy guitars. This is my 1995 Les Paul Standard, and I have had it since I think 1996. So if you're counting years, then we're talking more than 20 years now. Okay, so this is the basic concept, and this is a diagram that you can get from Seymour Duncan off their website. It makes it look pretty simple, but once you get in there and start doing it, it's a little tough. So every Seymour Duncan is going to come with a red and white, a green and bare, a black wire. And basically you're taking these red and white wires, you're wrapping them together, and you're soldering them at this middle tine. You're taking the green and bare, and you are soldering them to the top of the pot. And then you are taking black, and you are soldering it to this this bottom connector tine right here. And of course this third tine right here gets soldered to the body just as they usually do. So the diagram looks pretty simple. This is what it ends up looking like when you get it in there, especially when I had a terrible soldering iron for a while, and I really wasn't all that good at soldering, so it ended up looking a little crappy. So I apologize for that. But basically you can kind of see, and I'm going to take this out of here to make this easier to see. Okay, so like I said, I wanted to get this pulled out of here because I know this is messy, and I apologize for my kind of crappy soldering job. But like I said, we have the green and bare wire from the pickup going to the top. We have the white and red going to this middle tine. We have the black wire from the pickup going to this bottom base tine right here. And I also have a red wire going from that tine over to the tone knob, so they're kind of wired up together. The pickup selector switch is wired to this middle tine right here. And then, like I said, this is the part that's a little bit messy. You see this far right base tine right here. I have a bare wire connected to that comes up through this third tine on the side and up to the top and soldered to the top. So that basically grounds this tine to everything else. and that has it's, like I said, it's a mess. It looks a little bit crazy, but it worked great for me when I was using it. Hey, so this is the switch pulled out, and I thought maybe I could explain this a little better like this. So here's this bare wire, and it's wired from this third base tine through the middle of this bottom one here, this bottom tine here, all the way to the top and soldered to the top. I thought that might be a little easier to understand with this pulled out.